A lot of people think rich people get ahead just because they have more money, but that's not the whole truth. One of the biggest differences is that they know where the free help is. Free tax help, free credit tools, free business advice, free retirement money, even unclaimed money people forget to check for. And while some people use these resources to get ahead, a lot of everyday families are still doing everything the hard way. So let's talk about the free resources rich people use that most people never hear about. Free tax help. A lot of people think tax season is just one more expensive headache. So they either overpay somebody, rush through it, or avoid getting help at all. But there are free tax prep programs that help people file correctly, keep more of what's theirs, and avoid simple mistakes that can cost real money. Think about how many families lose money not because they earned too little, but because they filed wrong, filed late, missed credits, or paid too much for basic help. That's crazy when free help exists. And for older people, this matters even more because retirement income, pensions, and Social Security questions can feel confusing fast. A lot of people don't need more panic in tax season. They need guidance, free guidance. Free credit reports. Now this one is huge. A lot of people only think about credit when they get denied. Denied for a car, denied for an apartment, denied for a house, denied for a card, denied for better terms. But people who stay ahead do not wait for rejection to find out what's in their name. They check, they look for mistakes, they catch identity theft, they see old accounts, they clean things up before life turns into an emergency. That's power. Because bad credit is expensive. It can make everything cost more. And one of the saddest things in personal finance is paying extra for years because you never checked what was sitting on your report. A lot of people think credit monitoring is some rich people habit. No, protecting your name is a survival habit. Employer match. This might be one of the most painful free money mistakes people make. Some jobs will literally add money to your retirement account if you contribute. That's real. That means some people are walking past money that was willing to meet them halfway. And I get it. When money is tight, retirement can feel far away. It can feel like a luxury problem. But if your job is offering a match and you ignore it, that's like refusing part of your paycheck because future you feels too far away to matter. That's not a small loss. That's a habit of leaving help on the table. People with money understand something a lot of struggling people don't get told enough. Free money matters most when you don't have extra. That's when it matters. Free business mentoring. A lot of people have ideas. A side hustle idea, a cleaning business idea, a food idea, a trucking idea, a consulting idea, a small online store idea. But too many people stay stuck because they think starting right means paying somebody thousands to teach them every step. And sometimes that fear kills the idea before it even breathes. But there are free mentors and business advisors who help people think clearly, avoid dumb mistakes, and move with more structure. That matters because confusion is expensive. Starting blind is expensive. Pride is expensive. Guessing is expensive. A lot of people don't need motivation first, they need direction. And rich people understand that asking smart questions early can save thousands later. 5. Unclaimed money. This one almost sounds fake until you realize how common it is. There is money people forget about all the time. Old deposits, uncashed checks, insurance money, old accounts, refunds, benefits, even money tied to relatives. And a lot of people never check. That is wild. Imagine struggling, stressing, juggling bills, and somewhere out there, your own money is just sitting under your name because nobody told you to go look. That's the kind of thing that should make people mad. Not because it solves everything, but because it proves how often people are disconnected from help that already belongs to them. Sometimes getting ahead is not just about earning more. Sometimes it's about recovering what is already yours. 6. 211 and local assistance lines. Now this is a big one for people going through real pressure. Job loss, utility problems, housing stress, food issues, medical needs, family emergencies. A lot of people suffer in silence because they think asking for help means failure, or they think help does not exist unless they already know the right person. But there are free community resource lines that connect people to actual help near them. That can mean food support, utility help, housing help, medical resources, mental health support, other local services people never hear about until things get bad enough. And that's the problem. A lot of people only learn about help after the crisis is already choking them. But the people who stay steadier often know how to reach for support before everything collapses. That is wisdom, not weakness. 7. Free saving systems. Here's something else wealthy people understand. Saving is easier when it stops depending on emotion. A lot of everyday people try to save with leftover money, but leftover money usually never shows up. Life eats it first. The people who build stability often use systems, automatic transfers, split direct deposits, separate accounts, simple routines. That may sound boring. Good, because boring money habits save lives. You don't need a dramatic financial breakthrough. Sometimes you need a quiet system that moves a little money before you get the chance to spend it. That's why some people with average incomes quietly build stability while higher earners still feel broke. They don't just rely on discipline, they rely on structure. 8. Free financial education from trusted places. A lot of people learn money from pain. Late fees taught them, debt taught them, embarrassment taught them, watching parents struggle taught them, making one horrible decision taught them. But you do not have to learn everything the expensive way. There are free tools, calculators, articles, checklists, and step-by-step guides that explain saving, debt, retirement, credit, and investing in plain language. And no, reading about money is not flashy. No one claps for it. It doesn't look rich. It doesn't make you feel powerful in the moment. But understanding money before a mistake is always cheaper than understanding it after one. That's something wealthy people take seriously. They don't only use money, they study money. 9. The hidden emotional difference. Now let's go deeper. The biggest difference is not just that rich people know these resources exist, it's that they do not feel ashamed to use them. That's important. A lot of struggling people have been trained to feel embarrassed about help, embarrassed to ask questions, embarrassed to look inexperienced, embarrassed to admit they don't know something. So they stay quiet, and silence gets expensive. People who grow financially are usually willing to ask, how do I do this better? What am I missing? What free help is out there? What system already exists that I can use? That mindset can change a whole life. Because the truth is, wealth is not only built by earning, it is also built by reducing mistakes, finding leverage, and using support.